Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna do coconut curried shrimp. This recipe is so simple, so easy, so delicious with amazing flavors coming at you. But before we get into it, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's go. So starting off, we need 2 pounds of shrimp, and this is already clean and deveined. We're gonna need some powder, some salt, some curry powder, and olive oil. And we are going to give this a good mix. And of course, you can use whatever shrimp you like. You can use Pacific, whatever type of shrimp that is your favorite. Go ahead and use that for this recipe. Next, we're gonna marinate this for at least an hour. And we're going to move on to some other ingredients that we need. We're going to need some coconut milk, ginger powder, coriander. We're going to need some garlic cloves and chili pepper. And we're going to need onion and parsley. I'm just going to rough chop those. So to a pan that's hot and ready, we're going to add some oil to the pan. And next we're going to add our garlic cloves. And we're just going to get that oil infused with the garlic. Okay. So after a few minutes, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Again, you can use whatever your favorite curry powder for this recipe. Just go ahead and add that. And then we're going to add the onion and parsley. And we're going to give it a good mix. Now, it's important to know that when you add your curry powder to the oil, you want to ensure that you're on low flame, and because you don't want the curry to burn, so you got to be careful in that step. Okay. Next, we're going to add our ginger, a few coriander seeds, just a few, and chili pepper, and we're going to give that a good mix. If chili pepper is not your thing, you can also add like jalapenos or habanero. Just add according to your spice level. Next, we're going to add our coconut milk. We're going to give that a good stir, and we're going to cover and simmer. After which, we're going to add our scallion and thyme, and we're going to cover that again. And after a few minutes, this is what it should look like. It's reduced. Next, we're going to add our shrimp. And I'm telling you, the flavors, the aroma that's coming from this dish so far. We're talking about like the ginger, the scallions, the coriander, the curry. It is so amazing. I wish you guys could smell this. So after a few minutes, you're just gonna add your bell peppers and sweet onion and just cook that until it's softened a little bit. And then that's it. That is it. Plate this and enjoy. You can have this with some sticky rice if you want, whatever your side dish. The curry is just so fantastic. It goes with anything. The shrimp, it's succulent. The flavors, again, the coconut milk brings everything together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.